What's good, YouTube? It's Tia Marie and I'm back with another video. Please ignore my busted wig. I was dancing the previous night and I just was like, let's get it on. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about ATOZWIGS Amazon hair. It's Connectlon Fiber, 136 inches, $37.79. What you see me doing right here is just taking foundation and putting it over the lace front part. Being that it is synthetic hair, I cannot bleach the knot. Now what you see me doing is popping that wig off. Oh, that felt good. So now I'm finally about to put the actual wig on. I did adjust the straps so that it was super tight, being that I didn't want to have to lay down the perimeter of my forehead because I knew I didn't want to keep this wig on long. Even though at this point I already know I don't like the hair, I do want to point out the fact that the hairline looks pretty good for me to just have put on foundation. So I will give them props to that. As you can see, I am not feeling this. I'm like, what did I just put on my head? So I get the brush out and try to detangle it. Mind you, I haven't done anything to this hair but take it off the mannequin. It shouldn't be this tangled, but it is. And I'm going to speed this up because no reason why you guys should have to watch me completely detangle this. But it was ridiculous. Alright, at this point now, I'm taking clips to kind of pin it back so that I can cut the lace off properly. I do that on both sides. Now I'm just readjusting the lace to make sure it's on properly, taking my scissors and cutting straight down the middle. Now I'm taking a razor to actually cut the lace off. When you use a scissor, it gives you too much of a straight line and it doesn't look natural, so I prefer to use the razor. So now that I'm finished, I'm just trying to play with the hair, trying to get myself to like it, but it's just really not doing it for me. It's super frizzy, super tangly, and it just doesn't look good. As you see, no matter how I brush it or run my fingers through it, it's still frizzy. You can see the freaking frizz. Okay, so I've had the wig on for about 30 minutes, and within those 30 minutes I have been constantly trying to detangle it. It's just I don't know if it's because it's synthetic hair. Maybe you guys get synthetic hair that doesn't give you these problems. It is extremely long though. Like, that's cool. I don't know, I feel like it's kind of thin. Step out. This does not look good on me. They got me looking crazy. I don't even like synthetic wigs at all. It's just this was sent to me, so I'm gonna give it my honest review. It tangles terribly, so if you want to spend your entire day brushing and pulling a hair apart, then you do that. And it does feel plasticky. Like, this is human hair right here. Yeah, it feels plasticky. I don't know, this could be good for like a costume party. I think it was only like $37, and then with my coupon code 20% off, it'd be even cheaper. So if you can start planning for Halloween, like, you can be Harley Quinn, do the little pigtails. Oh, okay. And toss it after that, because this is not it whatsoever. And then, like, come on, I just put it on. It shouldn't be giving me problems. And I knew it was because this wig had actually got sent to me, I think, a week ago. But I'm just now getting around to the video because I had other things to do. Like, I have my videos pre-planned. Just because you send me a wig, I'm not gonna drop my schedule. But I had it sat on my mannequin head, and she was just nodding by herself. I'm like,
It's not okay. I don't know. It could be the fact that the hair is so long because it's not knotting right here. So maybe if you cut it, it'll be straight. I don't know. I'm trying to make it so like it's not that terrible, but I hate synthetic hair, so I might be a little bit biased. If you're good with synthetic hair, then you probably know exactly what to do to make this look manageable. But this is not it for me. I would not recommend this. It's just not worth it. Like, ugh. And then I feel like it's too thin. The part looks good though. That's a good thing. I could do some baby hairs. I didn't even like really try with this one because I already know I don't like synthetic hair. I don't like the way this wig looks on me, and I don't like the fact that it tangles so much. But if you like it, girl, go ahead. I bet you can rock it. It's just not for me. Like, yeah, you see that? That's ridiculous. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If there's any hair brands that you would like me to try, being that it's a million of them, let me know. I'll order some hair to see if it's worth it or not. Bye.